Life Priorat plus Monsanto is a project financed by the European Commission that is driven by a consortium of 5 bodies led by the VTEC Wine Technology Centre, along with Monsanto Denomination of Origin Regulatory Board, the Priorat Qualified Denomination of Origin Regulatory Board, the Sustainability Services Company Anthesis Lavola, and the Wine Technology Platform of Spain. The objective of this initiative is to develop and demonstrate a sustainable wine production model that considers the efficient use of natural resources across its value chain through the implementation of 5 technical actions. The first of these actions is focused on optimizing water consumption for the irrigation of the vineyards by using the appropriate dose and at the optimum time in order to achieve an increase in the quality of the grape. Starting from an expected objective of reducing water consumption by 10% per tonne of grape produced, during the 2017 to 2019 period, a total of 11 new meteorological stations were installed, which along with the existing public network stations, enabled the complete monitoring of 14 climate zones according to the initial experimental design. Through an online platform, it has been possible to display and download the data collected by the climate stations, both through the web application and the mobile application. Furthermore, it has enabled the display and download of meteorological data from other public network stations and has a clear emphasis on wine growing, generating charts on agronomic indices, pest and disease prediction models, and others we consider to be of great interest in the project. At 9 of these 14 zones, hydric stress and maturation control measures were conducted in the vineyard, providing irrigation recommendations to over 200 hectares belonging to a total of 16 wineries and associated wine growers, which are also extendable to almost the entire irrigation service area of the country. These irrigation recommendations, according to grape variety, are based on the execution of measurements of hydric potential, climate parameters obtained by the meteorological stations, maturation parameters of the grape, knowledge of the soil, and observation of the vineyard. After the tests and monitoring of these plots, it has been concluded that the reduction in water use has been much higher than the expected 10%, fluctuating between a saving of 25% and 35%. These results will have a great impact on the wineries, both economic and environmental, and will enable a much more efficient and sustainable irrigation to be practiced in all the experimental vineyards of the LIFE project. Thanks to the execution of this action, an efficient and sustainable model will be achieved for the use of irrigation water based on scientific data and taking into account the different agents of the territory, promising a more sustainable wine production in Priorat County.